What's up guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. We got another episode and today we got some special guys, a bunch of unboxings on some new things I've recently bought that's gonna help me level up my content level for my channel, as well to be able to catch some things and some scenes that I never could before. And who doesn't love some new crazy equipment? So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so let's begin right away. As you guys can see on this table, I have some like gun looking cases. You guys can tell a computer, a remote, and this is actually my whole FPV drone setup guys that I have bought. Alright, now let's get a much closer look. So we got the DJI remote, DJI goggles, we got the iFlight XL5 HD FPV drone, charger, some batteries, more batteries, a GoPro for the drone, battery for the gloves, some cases to protect my investment, and my new gaming computer. First step to setting up my drift simulator. But yeah, let's get right to it. I already opened up the remote, but everything else I'm gonna open up with you guys, so let's hop into it. So we'll start off with kind of our drone setup and what we have. So first we got my DJI Air unit remote. This is the remote that's going to be using to fly the drone. This actually is a package, so this drone comes with a DJI Air unit that connects to the goggle, which are these FPV goggles. Woo! Lighting is better on this side. So this is ultimately what these goggles look like guys when you have it on. I think it kind of looks like a bumblebee. It's actually pretty cool. But yeah, these are the goggles. So DJI makes all of this, and these goggles come with a head strap, a bag, a nice bag. Comes with an instruction manual, cables, type C. This is the battery cable, X60, and our 4 antennas. So next we have the iFlight FPV drone. So some extra propellers, sick. This is like the wire straps, stickers. But there is the drone itself. Oh ho ho! Check this out guys. This is the iFlight XL5 HD 6S version. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let's see, can the camera pick it up? Carbon fiber frame guys. This comes with the DJI Air unit, which is that little camera that you guys can see right there. This is where the battery mounts, but this is what I'm gonna be using to fly, to get all the crazy footage. GPS system, so if it gets lost, the goggles can set up a location for it to be able to fly back. All right, so the remote, I'm not gonna unbox, I already have. Oh, this is also the battery kit that comes for the goggles. I went ahead and bought it. This is from Furious FPV, and what this does is actually allows me, any of you guys who vape would know what this is. These are 18650 batteries which you can recharge, and these ultimately attach to these, so they go inside of this, and then this will connect to this adapter. So it has the connection, so it's going to go to the X60, which will connect to our DJI Air unit right here. That's so awesome. This thing is so crazy. It's unbelievable guys. But yeah, so this is that. So my remote control, I actually been using it to practice on the simulator flying the drone, but this is the DJI FPV remote. Very basic, very easy. I got some battery testers so I could go ahead and check my battery level. I went ahead and got the R-Line 1550 amperage battery. These are it. Comes with the X60 connector, and this I believe is a 4S, so it's a 4-cell X60 4S. And with these you need to buy a special charger, which I went ahead and bought, and this is the version 2. You want to get something nice, want to kind of spend the money on it, because these LiPo batteries can tend to explode sometimes, and If you don't have a correct charger that's able to stop it or fix it, you're going to be damaging all your investments. So that's pretty much everything on the drone. This was the FTP GoPro mount that they sell for it. Ultimately, this is the drone, and this is gonna attach right here to the drone, so we'll be flying around with the GoPro. This whole setup, guys, is a $1,700 setup. This is not a joke. This setup I paid for all in full with my own money, not sponsored anything. This is a serious setup if you want to go FPV. There is no way you can go wrong with this. It's a digital interface, new of the newest in the market. I can say this is one of the best drones out there is right now, probably for the rest of 2020. If you guys been following me for a while, you guys know that I'm all about trying new things, all about new opportunities, and I saw this as an opportunity for me to be able to make some of the sickest content that there's going to be, and be able to possibly make some good amount of money doing this, because I would become a professional pilot at flying a quadcopter, which, as funny as some of you guys think or think it's easy, it's actually not, guys. It's really difficult. It takes a lot of time and practice. I've been practicing maybe about like 10 hours, 12 hours on the sim. I don't crash as much as I used to, but still it is hard learning how to fly. Maybe some of you guys are better, but I'm not bad. I'm getting better. But I'm so stoked to actually be able to fly this setup, guys. Like, look at this thing. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Alright, now that we did all of that, now we can go ahead and unbox this computer. So I bought this computer from Costco, guys. Maybe if you look at your local Costco, they might have it. It's the iBuyPower computer, get ready to go gaming PC. And the good thing about Costco that I really like is when you buy their stuff, it comes with warranty, and it was $1,300. The specs, boy, look at those specs. Ooh, baby. This is perfect for like what I need to get my gaming setup going. Setup also comes with a mouse and a keyboard. So it comes with the iBuyPower keyboard. Finally took it out of the box. Very well packaged. Definitely give them that. Very nice. Important. Well, this is the computer, guys. So remove the glass. Bam. Look at that. Sick. All right, guys, check it out. The PC is up and running. Woo! This thing is sick. So that's the keyboard it came with, the mouse. I'm kind of disappointed it's wired, but oh well, it's gonna be fine. Hopefully when I get the sim, I'm gonna set it up right here. But yeah, check it out, everything's working. Definitely sick setup. I love how it looks and everything about it. Super stoked. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. But we got a new PC, a new drone setup, a bunch of cool stuff coming up, and can't wait to get the rest of this stuff for the sim. But till next week, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a fat thumbs up. Can't wait to start shooting some of the sick content with the drone. But till next week, peace out, guys. Keep saving. See you guys later.